is a special place deep within where the gifts of healing, balance, and inner strength await you. That place is calling to you now, asking you to slow down, set the world aside, and bring yourself home. To prepare for the journey inward, make sure you'll be free of outside distractions. Place your body in a comfortable position and close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath. And as you exhale, feel your whole body begin to relax. Take another slow, deep breath and release any worries or preoccupations. And take another slow, deep breath and feel yourself begin to let go of all negative feelings. The following exercise will help your body let go of stress so that you can relax even deeper. Begin to follow the natural, peaceful rhythm of your breath as you feel it gently rise and fall. Imagine that with each breath in comes a warm, comforting glow, and with each breath out, tension is dissolving. This all happens very easily, comfortably, and automatically as you simply follow your breath in and out. As you continue breathing, gently bring your awareness to your feet and imagine breathing that warm, comforting glow into them, surrounding and filling them until they feel pleasantly light and comfortable. And with each breath out, any tension simply dissolves and melts away. And continue to breathe that warm, comforting glow into your ankles and lower legs, breathing out any tension as your muscles relax and let go. And breathe that comfortable, peaceful feeling into your upper legs and your hips. All tension is easily melting away, leaving your legs and hips with a feeling of perfect peace and comfort. Breathe that gentle, relaxing glow into your abdomen and your lower back. And as you feel your breath gently rise and fall, notice that all tension there is simply melting away, leaving your abdomen and lower back feeling very, very comfortable and relaxed. And breathe this relaxation, this feeling of perfect comfort into your upper back and feel it filling your chest, breathing out any tension. This comforting, warm glow now fills your torso, even all the internal organs. And your entire torso is feeling completely comfortable, relaxed, and at peace. Now breathe this feeling of comfort into your shoulders. All the muscles in your shoulders begin to loosen and relax, letting in this warm, peaceful glow and releasing all tension. And breathe that feeling down into your arms and hands until it gently flows out your fingertips, leaving your arms and hands perfectly comfortable and relaxed. Now breathe this relaxing glow into your neck, face, and all through your head. All the muscles in your face are loose and relaxed, and you can feel that relaxation move through your jaw, your mouth, your ears, your cheeks and nose, around your eyes, over your forehead, and through your scalp. As your whole neck, face, and head become a part of this comforting, warm glow, and all tension is dissolved. And as this comforting feeling flows throughout your entire body, you are now thoroughly relaxed, comfortable, and at peace. And now, you're ready to begin your journey. An inner journey to a tropical retreat. You may choose to go by plane, sailboat, or train. Or you may wish to float there on a cloud. The choice of vehicle is really up to you. Whatever you decide, imagine that you're about to begin your journey now. As you settle into your vehicle, you're treated to whatever you desire to make your journey a pleasant and relaxing one. If there's anything you need for your total comfort on this trip, imagine it being provided now. On your way to this special place within, you'll be traveling through a spectrum of 7 colors, each color bringing you into a deeper sense of inner peace and well-being. As you begin your departure, a brilliant red color surrounds and fills you. And with it comes a wonderful sense of strength and enthusiasm for the travels ahead. Your journey now underway. You're flooded with the color orange, filling you with a steady, sustaining energy that you can use to receive all the benefits this experience has to offer. Next, a pale yellow light filters all around and through you, inviting your mind to open to wonderful new worlds of inner possibilities. Now you're being filled with a beautiful emerald green, and with it, comes a deep sense of inner healing, balance, and peace on all levels of your being. Well upon your way, you find yourself filled and surrounded with the color blue, leaving your mind clear, uplifted, and focused on good things to come. As your journey nears its end, you're flooded with a deep purple, and with it come the seeds for any transformation or change you may wish to make. And as you arrive at your destination and come to a gentle stop, you're filled with a crystal clear, pure light, bringing with it perfect protection, so that only that which is for your highest good may take place. Stepping clear of your vehicle, you're immediately impressed with the abundant natural beauty that surrounds you. Everywhere you turn, your eye falls on the exquisite, lush plant life, the beautiful songbirds, and the lovely blue sky. You smell the fresh flowers in bloom, the deep, musty scent of the earth, and the clear, fresh air. Here and there you see animals peacefully grazing or basking in the warm sunlight. You hear the sound of a nearby brook and let your ears guide you as you walk quietly towards it. Coming closer, you find a beautiful stream. And looking in past your reflection, you can see the moss-covered rocks and the colorful fish darting about. As you walk along the bank, making your way upstream, a feeling of warmth and tenderness grows within you, and you feel a deep gratitude and appreciation for this beautiful world of nature, of which you're a part. Following the brook further, you come upon a lovely waterfall, its clear water gently splashing into a pool below. That pool looks so pleasant and inviting that without hesitation, you remove your clothing and begin to wade in. As soon as the water touches your feet, you're filled with a profound sense of wholeness, as if your body were receiving a kind of nourishment it's been longing for. Gradually move forward and immerse yourself in this healing pool until that feeling of wholeness reaches every part of you. Your entire body, mind, and emotions are receiving this wonderful gift of healing and renewal. It's as if you were being touched with the most tender and delicate love imaginable, reaching into the innermost depths of your being. All inner conflicts are melting away and being replaced by this love. As you continue to receive these gifts, a whole variety of positive qualities within you are coming into focus and being strengthened. You feel a great sense of support and love for yourself, and a deep appreciation for all the many elements of your own being. There's room inside you now for a wide variety of expression, and you're ready to accept and love yourself just as you are. A feeling of forgiveness now floods through you as you release any judgments against yourself and feel them loosen, dissolve, and melt away in the presence of your own loving. Take time to be with yourself in this way now, as you experience this loving presence within you, bringing you whatever you need for your highest good. If you like, find a spot under the waterfall where you can let the water gently shower down over you. Feel it gently washing away anything that keeps you from your greatest health, happiness, and inner contentment, until you become entirely cleansed, renewed, and refreshed. It will soon be time to begin your return home. Stepping out of the water, take a moment to stand in the warm sunlight and let the gentle breeze dry your body as you thank yourself for giving yourself this gift. Put on your clothes and make your way back along the stream to your vehicle, knowing you can return whenever you like. Allow your vehicle to gently guide you back to the place where your journey began. Let all the benefits of this experience stay with you, and when you're ready, open your eyes and feel completely awake, alert, and refreshed.